I've made several of them, so once you start making them, it's not too hard. So then what you do is you get these folded like this. You just pinch it in, crease it, make sure it's a nice crease, and then I just put this right over it. See? And then I don't have to use any tape. Like this, just fold it again. That over, pinch it in, push it in like this with your finger, fold it in like this, so it makes a little pucker. And you push it right across like this against the other side, and you just, this goes right over it, and push down. Again, do a little pinch, crease it, fold over.